Hey, it's Poor Decisions with Penny and Jeff.
I'm Penny.
I'm Jeff.
And it's the 4th of July almost.
It is Independence Day.
So we thought we'd be a little patriotic and make some red, white, and blue.
We're gonna make we're gonna make a margarita bomb pops today.
What? I'm so excited for that.
Yeah.
So we were getting ready for this, and remember Schoolhouse Rock?
I don't.
You do too. Fire! Remember the preamble?
I remember hearing it, yes.
We the people, in order to form a more perfect union. Come on, sing it with me. And establish justice, secure domestic tranquility.
Doing really well. Keep going.
Provide for the common defense. How's it go? Secure the something welfare and you know it. Come on, sing along. I knew it back in high school. I knew it. I know almost all of it. I've forgotten some of it. We should have a drink and maybe we'll remember it better.
Okay. All right. Should we start?
America.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're almost.
We're gonna. Oop. I'm not used to wearing these.
Okay. All right.
So we're gonna do 3 different versions of a frozen margarita, which seems to be the easiest way to get the layers to layer the way we want to layer. The way we want to layer.
To be red, white, and blue instead
Exactly.
of purple.
So we're gonna do frozen margaritas, and on the first layer, we're gonna put blue at the bottom, and we are going to pour it right into a blender. We're gonna go. Each layer, we're gonna have 1.5 ounces of tequila. This is gonna make 2 drinks, so 4.5 ounces total, and split between 2.
It's a big drink.
It is a big drink, but
It's a big country.
1.5 ounces tequila.
We have lots to celebrate.
Just a little
250
too much.
years. Oh.
Whoa.
Splishy splash.
All right, and of course for the blue layer, blue curaçao, which is orange liqueur with blue food coloring. So
Yay.
if you want to use your own, you can use something else and put blue food coloring in it. but-
Nobody said Marco is that healthy.
Yeah. So on this one, we're going to do another 1.5 ounces. It's the curaçaos. Well, I shouldn't say that. The blue curaçao is this one's. We're going to use this one, which is like 48 proof. The other one, we're going to use triple sec. And
Not for this one. Not for the blue layer.
no, not for the blue, but for the other layers, we're using triple sec. Normally, if I'm making a margarita, I'm either going to use a cognac-based orange liqueur. This is Kirkland or Grand Marnier. Both are cognac-based. The problem is they turn everything brown.
A little brown.
So it doesn't really work in our...
They're the tastier, more...
They're much, much deeper. They're 80 proof also.
Yeah.
And they're much deeper...
They're the health food version.
okay, let's call it that. And no food coloring.
No food coloring, yeah.
No. All right. And this blue does stain if you get it anywhere.
Yes, it stained the counter when we were practicing. So, yeah, just word to the wise.
All right, that's our blue. We're going to run, in each one of these cases, we're going to run 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice.
Yeah, so if you have a nice marble counter or something you don't want to
Yeah,
stain,
you need to be a little careful.
put something down like a towel or a bar mat, preferably, but not everybody has a bar mat. We just got ours. We're going to use them in the next video probably.
Yeah. And simple syrup. We're just going to sweeten it up a little bit, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup.
While you're doing that.
Mm-hmm. This is a semi-rich simple syrup, by the way, 1.5 to 1.
Okay. So that stain will come out. It will eventually wear off, but it's a little disconcerting when you see that big blob of blue on your countertop.
It does, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now we are just going to roughly measure 2 cups of ice.
Oh, ice down. That's a penalty shot.
Not sure we'll need a penalty shot after this. All right, we'll get it over the blend. Hopefully this doesn't go through the... This is a Blendtec blender, and it does blend up pretty well.
Pulverizes pretty good. Oh, sorry.
Okay. All right, we're going to pour this in. Should have maybe had a little more ice. It's a little runny. Get them even. Close. A little bit. Perfect. Okay. Now, we did figure out that it does help to set them into the freezer for about 20 minutes before you make your next layer. Keeps them from blending a little bit. So, we're going to be...
BRB.
We're going to be right back. We're back. It's been...
About 20 minutes.
20 minutes-ish.
Yep.
Yeah. All right, we're ready for layer number 2. So this is going to be a kind of a straight up margarita. However, I'm not using those orange liqueurs that I would normally use. I instead will be using this Mr. Boston triple sec. You know it's the good stuff. It was $4.12 for a liter.
Okay.
I tasted it. It's got orange flavoring and it's sweet.
Mr. Boston.
It's sweet, so
like...
it'll work. All right, we're back to 1.5 ounces of tequila.
Was it in Boston? Did they actually sign the declaration?
No,
It was another city, wasn't it? Philadelphia.
Philadelphia.
Yeah. Okay, well, there's a lot of
The
history.
Tea Party in Boston.
The Tea Party. Yeah, I know. Where's the... Yeah.
And we're going to do 1.5 ounces of this famous triple sec.
We need to retake our civics
Which
exam.
seems like a lot, but it's only 15% alcohol, 30 proof, so pretty weak. And on this one, we're going to just use the same 3/4 ounce lime juice. And
It's
half
got
ounce,
a little bit of a green tint.
half ounce simple syrup.
So it's a off-white.
Yeah, I don't think you'll see that much.
Okay.
Half ounce simple syrup.
We need a little spatula.
Close enough. All right, about 2 cups of ice. We'll try and keep it on the table. Yeah, get out of there. 1, 2.
Okay.
Blend it up. Let's pull out our glasses.
You have some settling going on.
Yeah, seems like it's settled in a little. All right, we'll help this out with a bar spoon a little bit.
Handy dandy bar spoon.
Try and layer this in a little bit, nice and easy. Kind of run it off of the edge of the bar spoon so we don't mix too much. Yeah,
Yeah.
good job. Well,
Little gloppy.
not bad though.
Yeah. When we tried this yesterday, day before, we practiced a little bit, and we did not go through the freezing step, the 20 minutes in the freezer, and it looked like a cloud on a beautiful sky, which is also pretty. But we were kind of going for a little more of a layered look.
Yeah,
So freezing helps that.
it does. And we are at that point again.
It's so hard to wait.
So,
Do you have to like get them
20 minutes for the last
smoothed
layer.
out, or will they settle down a
Close
little bit?
enough. We're good. 20 more minutes.
Suddenly it's
We're
close
going
enough.
back into the freezer.
BRB.
We're back.
We're back.
Hey. Yeah, it's only been, what, 10 or 15 minutes?
Yeah, we didn't wait as long this time.
But I think we'll be fine.
Yeah.
So we're going to go for the red
Rinsed-
layer.
Just rinsed out the
I just rinsed out the
between.
blender.
Yeah.
Yes. So we're going with the red layer, and it's going to be a strawberry margarita.
Yay, my favorite.
Yeah. So we're going to go with the 1.5 ounces of tequila again.
Oh, party foul. It's a penalty shot.
It's not wise.
No.
Try to be more careful. Okay.
You're going to have to be punished for that.
Yeah. I guess so. All right.
Okay.
And then we're going to go with the triple sec again, the really good stuff. You could use the brown stuff on this one, but just you're going to keep it simple and use one product. So this one I'm only going to use an ounce of triple sec because we have other sweet ingredients.
Yes, all of these not so great ingredients. I'm thinking I'm going to have a headache later.
No. Just don't drink too many of them.
It's like you haven't even met me.
Half ounce of simple syrup, and I'm putting that in before I do the lime juice so it helps clean out the
cup?
The little cup. Yeah, because that syrup is thick.
Sure is. You need a spatula.
3/4 lime juice.
Okay.
And then, now we are going to use a little bit of grenadine. Helps with the color. This is, so if you're really using grenadine to make a grenadine drink, make your own grenadine. Make your own syrup. This stuff is it's corn syrup and food coloring and artificial pomegranate flavoring, or natural and artificial flavors.
Okay.
But real grenadine, the syrup when you make it is a little on the brown side. It's not quite as nice and vibrant red, so it's not quite as good for the effect of the.
This really does have a pretty good flavor, though.
It's not bad. Yeah,
it's a quick.
Artificial,
it's a nice shortcut. It's a beautiful color.
And this one we've
got the other things going.
We're gonna do an ounce of grenadine.
This will also stain your counter, FYI.
Cool.
Also learned that the hard way.
Yes. And here we are going to run
real strawberries.
Real strawberries.
Oops, you get in there.
These are just whole frozen strawberries. And I'm just going to measure approximately 1.5 cups.
So instead of 2 cups of ice,
yep,
in this layer you're using about
cup and a half of strawberries.
Also. Okay. Frozen strawberries, and that really works the blender.
Yep.
But it's not going to be a diluted, it's going to be a real strawberry flavor because it's not diluted at all.
For sure.
Nice.
I think we got it.
So violent.
I know. It's a Blendtec blender, and it is pretty
it's loud.
But it does blend stuff up. Okay.
Vitamix would be nice too, wouldn't it? That would be a really good blender
really good.
to
Yep.
pulverize the berries.
Okay.
Puree them.
Here's my spoon. It just had the white layer on it. But.
Okay.
All right.
Looking pretty.
And if you would rather have a daiquiri instead of a margarita, you could do the same thing with rum.
Yeah, for sure.
Call it a daiquiri.
Yeah. Call it what you want. We're calling it the Bomb Pop Margarita, right?
That's right. Okay, one more thing I just thought of.
Yeah.
So if you want to make these for more than 2 people, this recipe was for 2, but you can make it for 4, 6, 8, whatever, and
Who do you appreciate?
make each color separately, and just put them in a pitcher. We had some that we practiced a couple nights ago, so this has been in the freezer for 2 days, and it's still slushy.
Hard.
There's enough alcohol in there. It's not going to. If you leave them in the freezer for an hour or 2, you'll still be able to pour them off and be able to make the separate colors. But I would freeze them separate colors in
different pitchers or
containers
cups
or whatever, and then you could make them as you need to with the colors.
Yeah. Or you could probably take glasses and put like the blue in the glasses, and then put a pitcher of white and a pitcher of red.
Sure.
Make it a little easier.
Yeah. But if somebody wants two, their glass isn't empty yet, so
It's just a bigger glass.
There you go. Problem solved.
Here's your pitcher. Grab a straw, baby. I don't know.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To Merca. Cheers.
To Mark.
Merca.
Not bad.
Cheers, friends. Happy 4th of July.